wangithuka eresi wakhuluma ngahlala naye phansi yabo ngisho ngathi mina Mbali lokhu mfethu angikuthandi ngicela ukuthi singadluli kona yabo mina ngicela ukuthi ungazi mina hayi mhlambe mina akwenzeki ukuthini mina ngumuntu esilisa nami yezwa but mfethu ngicela ukuthi ungi-understand ukuthi mina mengingenza ukuthi nokuthi nawe lento le ngekuphele ngisho 2 months nawe cause uzobe usuna le behavior nami uzobe usuna le behavior ukuthi mina nawe senze ukuthi nokuthi kanti i-content ayifuni lento mangabe senze i-content nawe ndawonye yabo mina kuningi ke mina mfethu abantu abangithukela kona abakhuluma yabo abantu bangithukela ukuthi uhlukana noMbali whatsoever bona abantu futhi laba abebengafoni ukuthi mina ngibe noMbali from the start kuthiwa wena awujoyina nomuntu nje mina ngamamukela noMbali mina umuntu oqala umuntu engamamukela
ukuvezile ngama support
mina yonke mina boy mina njengoba kutshela mina ukuthi yonke into ngayenza mina mfethu mina angikuvezanga mina kwako wrong ongiphatha kabi kubantu but ngangikhuluma naye xolelwane kube right kube simple lapha ngase ngikhathele mina I was tired yes I was tired so mina ngithi mina ngeke ngenze ngendlela yabantu ukuthi wena ungithanda nobani awungazi ukuthi ngidlula
Hi guys, so I'm sorry I had to cut him because he was saying a lot of things nje ezingelutho so hayi cha samkelo shame ngiyazi ukuthi abanye benu maybe there are few of you guys abangawazanga ukuthi bayibuke the podcast because ibiyinde shame it was 2 hours and guess what ngibukile mina and I'm going to give you a summary and futhi ke nale yambali ngayibuka yonke and I did a video about that if awakayibona you can go and check it out so manje la sizokhuluma ngosamkelo nokuthi what wena ubethini lapha kwi podcast so okubalekile ukuyindaba yambali yebo ukukhulumile lokho kunye ukuthi nene ukuthi uTira yebo akusibo bakhe ngempela yena nje yabo uyilandela itrend and stuff so lokho akubalekile into ebalekile ukuthi what did he say about uMbali so kahle usamkelo uthi yena akaze baxabane ayikho into abaxabanisa bona uMbali especially imali akaze baxabaniswa imali into nje ebaxabanisile according to him ukuthi uMbali akafuni wayefuna ukuthi alale naye yena usamkela akafuni ukuthi alale noMbali okunye futhi uthi into enza uMgabe ukuthi uMbali wamthuka uthi kade ayemxolela kukaningi uMbali emncenga ethi usamkela I'm sorry I'm not going to do this again aphinda I do that futhi uMbali uthi nje sekaningi enza izinto ezirong uMbali axolise usamkela amxolele kodwa this time around uthi uyimiyekile because ubesekhathele and another reason uthi yena akalali vele nabantu enza nabo icontent ngoba yena usuke esemsebenzini kahle yena into abheda ngayo ukuthi aqamba ngokuthi ubemthanda uMbali ezintombi yakhe uyanqena ukusho lokho ukuthi cha bebehlanganiswe icontent kuphela okay okunye ke bambuzile indaba yamlu because bekutrend ukuthi yena ulala noMlu bengalali noMbali ngoba nakhelana noMlu washo ukuthi hayi yabo le yamlu bengiyibukisisa ngifuna ukuzothiwana because uze wathi lokho akade menzisa interview wathi ne weMlu ngicela uzophendula leyo ndaba leyo ozohlala la uyiphendulele wena lento eshiwe abantu wathi usamkela wathi hayi akangezi uMlu uzokhuluma yena mase kumele akhulume akasayikhuluma indaba yamlu uzoshintsha itopic so hayi indaba yamlu akafunanga ukucacisa but asikho lapho singibali okunye okay bambuza indaba ukuthi uMbali enene ukuthi wanginikeza imali wena uhamba egoli akakuphiyanga lokho uyasho ukuthi vele benoMbali bebesizana ngeimali washo ukuthi uMbali have good when it comes to imali into ehlangana nemali nje akaze baxabanise into ebaxabanisile ukuthi uMbali umthukile and ubehleze emthuka embonisa nabantu lapha neresi futhi uthi nje kuningi nje kade kwenze uMbali engakuthandi nanokuthi ke futhi uMbali ubefuna ukulala naye yena ubengafuna ukulala naye ngoba yena akalali nabantu ayenza nabo icontent uthi yena ukwabona ukuthi ngisho kuthi ukuthi ulala noMbali shuthi lento yabo ngeke izilast yabo lento yabo kwenza icontent obviously into ayiphikayo futhi ukuthi nene athi ukuthi uMbali uyamuse uthi usamkelo how if ukuthi umuntu uMbali ngiyamuse pho indaba uMbali sonke lesikhathi njengoba Njoke lesikhathi enza into ezirong uMbali mina ngimgabha uMbali ebuye kimina ezoxolisa ubuyelana uMbali uzoxolisa kimina athi samkelo give me another chance if kuukuthi ngiyamyuza You understand? Usho njalo kuSamkelo. Okay, esedilambani ngiya-understanda nalo uthi uMbali uSamkelo akazange ngitshele ukuthi lento yethu is just content. So yena wetshela ukuthi kuyajolwa nje. Uyasho uSamkelo ukuthi hey bafethu le ndaba ayike guys, anyway ke uSamkelo ke vele ke uyasho ke futhi ukusho ukuthi okunye ukuthi yena ufuna ukuthi bebe noMbali babe right, bathelelana amanzi, washo ukuthi uyaxolisa konke nje ukube akwenza noma akusho waxolisa kuMbali wathi ufuna nje ukuthi babe right. But ukuthi bazokwenza i-content together again, I am not sure about that, but nje uthi uyaxolisa. I hope akukho engikushiyayo, but ngicela ukuthi konke obalekile bese ngikushilo. Yeah, asicheckeni ama-comments ke guys, ngathi sengikhuluma kakhulu. Oh, also guys, wavuma uSamkelo ukuthi enenevela amalebolo kwakwe-content njengoMbalasho. Washo nokuthi baplana bo-2 bavumelana ukuthi okay content le yamalobolo. Uyasho ukuthi hayi vele noMbala akasho ukuthi wayingazi ukuthi i-content kuwukuthi nje wathi yena uSamkelo yena owasho ukuthi kwenzakala ukuthi wathi yena okay. BaSamkelo nawe uyasho ukuthi hayi saplana sobabili ukuthi kuzoba kanje kanje bavumelana. So yeah, naye amalobolo kwakuyi-content. Ayi uSamkelo guys. Akanoba nibonile ni video le khumbula ngesikhathini esithembu ngangakamfollow at that time mina, but ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ukhona uGeli Loyile kwi-podcast laphayana lade ke kuNombali part of isithembu. uGeli uyasho laphana ukuthi uSamkelo wayengabaholeli ngisho isenti. uSamkelo gazi wrong. uSamkelo wayengabaholeli ngisho isenti, kuyena nje wenza imali. Ngicela ukutshela ukuthi phela noMbali washo ukuthi uMbali uSamkelo akaze amtshela ukuthi kudliwa imali kuFacebook. Uthi uMbali wazi wayizamela yena, ayisethela yena ukuze akwazi ukuposta naye enza imali. uSamkelo kanti unjani guys? Kusho uSamkelo kahle kahle unabo selfish. Hayi bafethu inkulu le ndaba, but anyway let's move on. Uthi ke lona shame this guy helped Mbali according to me. That's a very good comment according to you, because sonke vele lana we are sharing our opinions, so akekho phikiso omunye. Yeah, it was just content and omunye caught feelings. It's very simple. Yeah, that is so true. Bafethu Mbali shame. I feel sorry for her, shame bandla. I feel sorry for her. Samkelo changed Mbali's life, to be honest. Yes, somewhere somehow I think he did. Yes, uMbali ipage lakhe laselenza kahle, but ukuthi enze content ngoSamkelo kumsizile kakhulu uMbali, lokho nje ngisingakubalekile. Ayike uthi lona mina ngikaze nginithande no2 from day one. Vele uyamyuza usile wena. Hayike guys, uSamkelo uyayiphika leyo ukuthi uMbali wamyuza, uyayiphika. But mina ngifuna ukuthi ngivume kancane, maybe 10% ngokuthi atshela ingane ukuthi uyayithanda umuntu wayo, kodwa manje abazi ukuthi uyisebenzisela i-content kuphela. But bebe benefit about 2 years, so that is why I'm saying maybe 10%. Abantu abayuzwa ilaba besithembu because they were not getting a cent. Ilaba abantu abangaphuma nje besho ugcwala umlomo ukuthi uSamkelo wasiyuza because abatholanga next. uSamkelo oyenza imali ngabo. Noma bangakuthuka Samkelo, okusalayo uyishintshilo impilo kaMbali. And shame ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uMbali wayehlala kuphi nendawo, manje uhlala kephi. Yeah. Samkelo is saying a lot of nothing. This interview is boring as hell. Uthini ke mina engiyibuke for 2 hours when at least when I complainela just a clip. Mina ngiyibukele for 2 hours kodwa into engicoshile laphayana into engayikhuluma for less than 10 minutes. Uthi lo i-content even now. Okay, that can be possible. Yes, it is content, but ukuthi baxabene and stuff, it is true, but ukuthi singenzeka yini sibabone uMbali no Samkelo together, it is possible because uyasho Samkelo lapha no interview ukuthi he had like huge plans with uMbali, ukuthi nje bese khathele uthi nje kuyimanje ngabe uqhubekile nomshado, ngabe banenqwaba yemali ngoba ngabe wenzile umshado, but uthi nje bebezonza imali eninkabi ngokuthi baqhubekile nomshado, ukuthi nje uSamkelo uthi yena bese khathele nje ukuthuka uMbali lokho exolisa aphinde futhi uthi nje hayi bese sisida kakhulu khathi besekhathele ukubekezela. Guys, I'm so sorry I talk too fast but I hope ngiyangizwa. Ubonakala ngisho emehlweni ukuthi ukhuluma amanga we. Into futhi enginothise laphana uSamkelo bethi mekhuluma athi yabona mina ebesho mina abaningi angazi noma ile nto ayiphuza noma amanga noma what was going on, mavele ukhuluma kanje yana I don't know, but ubekhuluma nje ethi yabona mina abuye akhulume enye into ashone ngala ngibona uthi lona ke futhi kulaba abakuthukayo you are a good man. Yeah, shame because omunye umuntu hayi abantu behlisa bafesi yazi omunye umuntu ubengalala nje nombali khona engamthandi khona imsebenzisele i-content ubengalala nje naye because abafana nje yabona iyasho neculo ukuthi abathi nika ungadla kuthanda ngadla noma yayinja nje so nje abantu abaningi bathi hayi ngalalanga naye wena ungalala nomuntu onje yana. I don't think it's about that, like honestly njoba uchazile noSamkela phana ukuthi nini akalalanga naye ngoba uyazi ukuthi ukube walala naye ngabe abantu bathini, ngabe bathi nje ulala nezingane zabantu ayishiye kanjalo uthi ngakho nje ngalana namuntu yena and nalo omusha enza naye content angeke azalale naye ngoba akafuni ukuthi mase emyekile ngoba uthi nje yena umuntu wenza naye content make wabheda uyamshiya. So akafuni ukuthi mase emshiyile umuntu mase kube ngathi yena udlingane zabantu mase eyishiye, ufuna nje umuntu amshiye caca ukuthi uyamshiya kodwa igama lakhe alingcoliseki kabi. For some odd reason I used to blame Samkelo, but after watching this whole podcast I then realized that he actually played a positive role in Mbali's life regardless of the outcome. Yeah, I would like to agree. Yeah, I would like to agree with this one. He did play it like a positive role in Mbali's life. Samkelo, you did your best kuMbali and awuzange walala naye. Lokho nje kubonakalisa ubuntu and you are a really good man. Angisoli lutho ngawe. Uthi lona kodwa ngikuthandela ukuthi awulali nabo ubashiye. Exactly, nami that's the point. Like that's my point ukuthi I can say ukuthi like akadlali ngazo lezi ngane. Okay, I don't know what to say but I agree. Shame, like at least akalali nabo even though uMbali bekayifunela but still wathi nje uSamkelo nope ngoba manje ngabe esinye istory sesikhulumayo ngabe sikhuluma esinye istory manje. I never liked their content but Samkelo helped that girl. Kubonakala kanjalo and baningi abantu I think lento 50-50. Some people bathima noMbali and some people bathima no Samkelo, and mina I don't team with anyone. I'm in between because okay angachazi but yeah I'm in between because uSamkelo nawo wrong ukuthi ingane angayitshela ukuthi Mbali urongo ukuthi athi Mbali ngiyakuthanda ngifuna ube intombi yami. Urongo ukuthi angamtshela ukuthi mina nawe lento esenzayo it's just content, it ends there. Kumele acacise from the beginning because namanje lapha kwi podcast uyasho ukuthi uMbali bengimthande beyintombi yami. Why are you lying? Like akekho umuntu ongajola naye eyintombi yakho umthanda nijole into nithandana kwangempela and then ungalala naye for the whole year. Come on Samkelo, come on. Samkelo saw that Mbali was getting a lot of attention and she was getting big. Then he was like, how can I benefit from this? Mbali was gonna be big even if Samkelo wasn't present. I agree with this comment. Niyabona ukuthi I'm in between. Akhona hamselana noSamkelo and yes, okay, yes, I agree with this one also. Like it makes so much sense. Like yeah, nami ngangicabanga yabo le comment le comment le show losses ngangicabanga nami, so I agree with it. Alright, uzilalele no cameraman. Hey bafethu awindaba cameraman mina ngeke ngize ngicomment kakhulu because bambuzile indaba yami lu podcast and why Maiza. So this boy is underrated. Abafana bakhohlakele kabi. Ngabe uthathe advantage walala naye wamshiya instead umhloniphile wazihlonipha naye. Uthukelwani kangaka ngoba iqiniso uyishintshile impilo kaMbali. Kukhulu futhi phambi kwethu sibhekile. Kakhulu futhi phambi kwethu sibhekile. He cared for her. Hands off Samkelo please. Agezwakala. Content with someone's feeling. uyanya lo mfana yabona ke yeah I agree with this one also. Lento ngisho ukuthi he was wrong to tell her ukuthi uyamthanda ebengamthandi. Kwamele amtshele nje ukuthi this is content, it ends there. So samukele wrong nje ngalokho ke. Don't use a woman to do that, my brother. Even if it's a content, women are emotional beings. We get attached easily. That is so true. That is very true. This is so true. Usisi caught feelings kanti kuyadlalwa shame mandla yazi I feel sorry for umbali. Uthi lolo ukube wamzwisa ngabe kuduma izulu manje. Beyinhleke kodwa ngempela into yenu. Yeah guys, I'm so sorry for ukuthi beyinde i-video. Anyway guys, please share your thoughts under the comments. Guys, don't come for me. I'm just sharing my opinion. Everyone has a right to share their opinions. Yeah, you can agree, you can disagree, it's okay. Please share your thoughts and I will see you guys on my next one.